Hi there, friends. If your Samsung Galaxy phone stops charging at 80%, don't worry. This is often caused by a built in battery protection feature rather than a hardware problem. Samsung devices include settings designed to extend battery lifespan by limiting charging to 80% or a similar level. Follow the steps below to identify and fix the issue. Step 1. Turn off battery protection. First, check whether battery protection is enabled. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Select Battery Protection. If the feature is turned on, toggle the main switch. Off. Battery protection helps reduce battery wear by preventing the device from charging fully. While this can improve long-term battery health, it may also be the reason your phone refuses to charge beyond 80%. After disabling it, connect your charger again and see if the battery continues charging toward 100%. Step 2. Check for a Samsung software update. Sometimes charging issues are caused by software bugs that Samsung has already fixed in a newer update. Back to the settings menu again, scroll to the bottom and tap Software Update. Select Download and Install. Wait while your phone checks for available updates. If an update is found, tap Install Now or choose Schedule Install to complete the update later. Before installing, make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has at least 50% battery remaining. Software updates often include battery management improvements, charging fixes, security patches, and overall performance enhancements. Additional tips: use an original Samsung charger and cable whenever possible. Check the charging port for dust, lint, or debris. Try a different power outlet or charging adapter. Remove any thick phone case if the device becomes unusually hot while charging. After completing these steps, restart your phone and test charging again. If your Samsung Galaxy still won't charge above 80%, the issue could be related to battery health, charging hardware, or a system fault. In that case, contacting an authorized Samsung support center for professional assistance is recommended.